In order to have ChatGPT read your responses, what you want to do is go ahead and ask ChatGPT whatever your question is or whatever you're trying to do. And then when you get that response, you'll see a couple of options here at the bottom. I'm showing you both on mobile and on desktop. You'll see the audio button there next to the copy button. If you tap the audio there, it will then begin to play back. As you can see, the playback bar at the top where you can change the speed. You can fast forward or rewind 15 seconds at a time, and then you can pause it and then close out of it just like that. In order to customize the voice on ChatGPT to make it sound like you want, you need to, on the mobile, swipe to the right to open up the settings by tapping on your username in the lower left-hand corner. Then scroll down until you see something here that says voice. It'll say the voice name where it says Ember, and then it allows you to swipe between the different voices to find the one that you like the best. If you're on desktop, you need to do this on the web browser mode instead of the app for the Mac or PC because that one tends to not work or be available. What you'll do is you'll go to your username in the lower left-hand corner. You'll go to settings. Once under settings, you want to scroll down and you'll see an option that says voice. You can play it back, hit the drop-down menu, select the voice of your choice, and you are good to go. Then you go to your response and you may have to click on these 3 horizontal dots, go to Read Aloud, and then it reads the response in the voice that you've selected. If you have any questions, put those down below. I'll put a pinned comment with some frequently asked questions and trouble that you might run into, and we'll see you guys in the next video.